We now flash back to 1999 to get the backstory behind Mr. Lexx's hit, Get With It. The track was produced by War 21 and was released on the Jammies label, but let's hear some more in our Fiwi Culture segment.
What up? It's your boy Mr. Lexx. Don't know dancehall or reggae or Fiwi Culture. The song, gonna make some money and do that I'm with it. 10 girl, you damn right I did it. She never sure, so we make sure we beat it.
How did that song come about? What was the inspiration behind it?
I don't remember what was the inspiration, but I just know, say, we did there at Jamaica. Now hungry kill me, nothing now go on. And Mr. Parrot at our studio. So every now and then we go over Jammy's studio, go try to record on some rhythm. And I remember when we go over Jammy's, we meet some youth named Soko, Conley, Rumblood, and Mark, which is Ward 21. And them always excited about me. Them always, cause you know, me and them DJ. They always want me DJ, and them always a DJ like me and stuff. And so anytime them have a rhythm, them always come link me and go over there and voice. I don't remember what was the inspiration, but my voice was sang, and my left got foreign. I remember there in New York, I said G-Force from Stone Love, and G-Force said, Mr. Lexx, you have one song in Jamaica where I mash up the place, and I'm like, eh, so I don't know that. I must say, yeah, dog, one song name gonna make some money, you know that I'm with it. I must say, War 21, let me device that for you know. He must say, yo dog, if I come out, I say, I better come out to Jamaica, dog, I'm gonna kill me down there, mad. I must say, no dog, forward to Jamaica, man. And I was like, alright.
If you see me walking on the street, bush to the bone, macaroni smelling sweet, and girls be passing by and knocking me on me sunny.
Buy up some little clothes and thing and say, alright, I'll come down to Jamaica now. Boom, man, forward to come to Jamaica. I reached them time they have a club named Asylum, and I shut the whole place. Asylum was the club. So some woman come down and go up Asylum one night. And you know when the song hot and then the DJ tease it and bust the place and then him nobody play it back for the night. The DJ do with that. Like I stand up and the man goes, gonna make some money, you know, and the whole place bust. And then him play a different song. And I stand up, and I remember my friend them talk to me up in my ears, but I not hear what them say, because all I think about is what just happened a while ago. But like, I really my advice that?
Big like the valley man and matches lane man, them see it. We done with the war and make we deal with the peace. Kawa, gonna make some money, you know that I'm with it.
While recording the song with War 21 at Jammies, what was the vibe like in the studio?
Like, you know, them all, it was a mad vibes, because they're full of vibes, you know, and, you know, I have a high spirit too, so it was just like funny, you know, we just talk a lot of crap. It was a mad vibes, and our energy, until this day, one of my favorite producers them to work with.
Girl, I run behind me and I'm all I beg me please. I run behind the DJ and I'm jump on a chip on the knees. Them want to get out, God, give me a kiss, I give me a squeeze.
How did the success of the song impact your life?
Well, my friend them start believing me a real artist now. For a fact. The interviews them start coming. The promoter them start calling. Other producers start calling, and I just answer the call them. As the producer them call, you know, we just start drop hit song after hit song after hit song.
It's summertime and whole heap of song on Mash Up Radio and the dancehall. But who is the artist of the summer? Let's check in with the streets to find out in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment. Why Pree?
450.
Why is that?
Because I love him and him voice nice and him cute.
You sound biased though.
No, true, him cute, him voice nice, him tune them nice, him lyrics them nice.
Moda give to, wouldn't even say craft, because craft kind of under the radar right you know. Alright, watch out for Enhance.
Enhance?
Watch out for Enhance. Enhance lyrics, when I listen dancehall from then to now, that you are potent. Just give him some time, man.
Artists of the summer?
Yeah.
I don't really listen to music to that.
Okay.
I don't really have any.
Malidan and Armani, I like.
Artists of the summer? I gotta say Squash, you know. Right now, I gotta say Squash. Just for summer vibes, that are just personal. I know obviously there are other hits out there, but that are just, yeah.
There's a big breeze around the thing.
Big breeze, bro. In a them town, bro. In a them hometown.
That is it.
It's a craft right now. If you're not lock off the party, man, me I tell you, man. You see me? Yeah, man, a craft, man. Craft, we can't go on it, a craft, you see me?
Right now, the artists of the summer. Craft can't miss. Believe me. Craft can't miss. Craft summer.
Honestly, in my opinion, Massacre. Swear. He might do it.
Who is your artist of the summer? Let us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course, the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we close the curtains on St. Anne and this week's episode of Pree the Show. You don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.